This is Sadolin Yacht Varnish. It's a traditional, clear, non-pigmented varnish used to build a durable, high-gloss finish. It's ideal for use on joinery and maintenance of previously coated windows, doors and conservatories. It's a traditional high-gloss varnish with added UV protection. Here's some examples of how good your wood can look using Sadolin Yacht Varnish. For free help and advice, please call the number on the screen and speak to one of our dedicated wood care team. For full details of our Sadolin range, please visit our website www.sadolin.co.uk.